Here is the panel, square D panel, where neutral and ground are bonded together. You can see on the top side the neutral is coming in from the main feed from the transformer, and also the ground has been connected here, and the bus bars on both on the right hand side and the left hand side have a neutral and ground attached together. The main disconnect is 200 amp panel, and it's a square D QC model. I'll be installing a 20 ampere double pole square D breaker into this panel. The HPF unit will be mounting downwards onto the panel here. I'm going to take one of these notches out and cut the sheetrock to install the unit. I cut the sheetrock right here, install the HPF. I put the lug here that's provided with the unit. Run these wires through the unit. Now these wires are ready to be connected to the breaker. So here's a newly installed breaker. It's off. Then I connected all the 2 hot lines from the HPF unit to the breaker. These 2 black wires. Make sure that the lead lengths of the hot and neutral are as short as possible. And then I have a neutral wire and a ground wire which are connected to the bus bar. And again, remember that this is one of those rare panels where the neutral and ground are bonded together. So they both are going to the same bus bar. And once you connect everything in proper, those 2 hot wires to the breaker and the neutral to the neutral bar and the ground bar, turn on the main panel breaker, main disconnect. Once the panel is on, it's the time to turn on our newly installed breaker. Now make sure that the 2 LED lights on the HPF unit are on. Just make sure that you take those 2 notches out to accommodate the newly installed breaker and put the panel back. Now this is how it looks like. See the 2 LEDs on.